Welcome to today's story of automation, data collection, and Power BI dashboard on music platforms. Meet Aman, who works at a company that collaborates with various music platforms. His trusted companion is Speedy, a diligent bot that lightens his workload around the clock. With Speedy's help, Aman efficiently extracts song and artist data from various music platforms, streamlining the process and saving valuable time. Speedy automatically collects crucial data such as the artist's name, song title, total views, song length, album name, and timestamps for each song, capturing data for an impressive 5 to 6 lakh songs in a single run. This data is then processed and used to generate a comprehensive Power BI report. The report includes details such as the total amount an artist earns, the total number of songs the artist has appeared in, as well as a detailed table for further insights. It even features a search bar to look up artists by name. Before Speedy came along, Aman spent a significant amount of time manually extracting this data. Now, with Speedy's assistance, Aman can extract data for millions of songs quickly and without errors, freeing up his time to focus on other tasks. This is how Aman and Speedy work efficiently together. EmergeFlow, automating success and unlocking business potential.